So here we have my Google Drive. I have my Google Drive organized for all of my education classes that I've taken thus far. And so for this video, I'm going to go over my EDCI 270 folder. In it, I have a document that talks about my theme and what I plan on doing with that. And to add more to the EDCI 270 folder, I would hit New, and then Google Docs, Sheets, or Slide, depending on what I'm trying to create. But to demonstrate, I'll just show Google Docs. And then in the document, up here in the untitled document, I can give the document a name, and in here is the body similar to a Word document where you would be able to type in whatever it is that you want to say or put in there for photos or for whatever else you want to do. And then for critique and anything else like that, to share this document with any of your friends or your instructor or your TAs or anyone that you would want to review before you submit, you just go up here to this blue button and hit share. And then in here, you have to title it first. So let's just say I title it. And then I save. And then it just asks for the name or email address of the person. And so that's how you do that. It's very simple and not hard to do at all.